Tired of waking up in the middle of the night, grabbing your leg, in pain? Those sudden, sharp leg cramps, they're more than just annoying. They could be your body's way of screaming for help. But the good news? A few simple nutrients could stop the cramps and strengthen your legs naturally. Let's reveal what your legs are really asking for. 2-dot loop. What you'll learn. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 nutrients that prevent leg cramps in seniors, why deficiencies in these are so common after age 50, how to get them naturally through food or supplements, and how to build stronger, more cramp-resistant legs. 3 connection points. Let's be honest, if you're over 50, you've probably felt it. That tight pull in your calf at 2 a.m., the aching legs after a short walk, or the fear of a fall because your legs feel weak. It's not just age. It's not just bad luck. Often, it's a lack of key minerals and vitamins. Let's fix that, naturally and safely. 4 secondary hook. Here's what you might not know. 60% of seniors are deficient in at least one mineral that prevents cramps. Many leg cramps are caused by poor hydration or missing electrolytes, not circulation. And yes, taking the wrong supplement can actually make cramps worse. Let's dive into the top 6 nutrients that matter most. 1. Magnesium, why it matters. Helps muscles relax. Deficiency causes twitching, cramping, and even anxiety. Low magnesium send overactive nerves in your legs. How to get it? Spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, magnesium, glycinate or citrate supplements, not oxide. It's poorly absorbed. Tip, take it before bed to prevent night cramps. 2. Potassium. Why it matters. Balances fluid in muscle cells. Low potassium causes weak, tight, or cramping muscles. Also supports heart and nerve function. How to get it. Bananas, sweet potatoes, coconut water, beans. Avoid potassium loss from diuretics or too much caffeine. Tip. Hydrate with low-sugar electrolyte water if you sweat or urinate frequently. 3. Calcium. Why it matters? Helps muscles contract and relax properly. Low calcium versus tight, painful, or stiff muscles. Works together with magnesium. Both must be balanced. How to get it? Yogurt, leafy greens, sardines, with bones, fortified plant milk. Calcium citrate is better absorbed than carbonate for older adults. Tip. Take calcium with meals and not at the same time as iron or magnesium. 4. Sodium, salt. Why it matters. Yes, seniors can be too low in sodium. Sodium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle nerve signals. Low sodium from sweating, water pills, or low salt diets can trigger cramps. How to get it. Add sea salt to meals. If your doctor allows electrolyte drinks with sodium, low sugar. Warning, if you have kidney or heart issues, talk to your doctor first before adjusting salt. 5. Vitamin D. Why it matters. Helps your body absorb calcium and magnesium, low. D weakens muscles and bones. Many seniors don't get enough sunlight or dietary D. How to get it. Sunshine, 15 to 20 minutes per day. Fatty fish, eggs, fortified milk. Supplements D3 cholecalciferol, often paired with K2 for better absorption. Tip. Take vitamin D in the morning with fat-rich meals. 6. B vitamins, especially B1, B6, B12. Why they matter? Help nerve function and circulation. B1 deficiency equals foot pain or leg cramps. B12 deficiency equals numbness, weakness, or tingling legs. How to get them. Whole grains, meat, eggs, lentils, and dairy. Many seniors absorb B12 poorly. Sublingual or injectable. B12 may be needed. Tip. Ask your doctor for a B12 test if you feel numbness, balance issues, or foot cramps. Bonus. The hydration factor. Before you run for pills, then ask yourself, are you drinking enough water? Most leg cramps are caused by low fluid intake, loss of sodium and potassium through sweat, overuse of caffeine, alcohol, or diuretics. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses per day, and increase if you're active. Daily habits to strengthen legs and prevent cramps. 1. Gentle stretching before bed. Focus on calves, hamstrings, and quads. Improves blood flow and reduces muscle tension. 2. Walk daily, keeps circulation moving. Builds muscle memory and strength. Try 20 to 30 minutes every day. 3. Warm foot bath with Epsom salt. Epsom salt equals magnesium. Soothes tired muscles and nerves before sleep. 4. Compression socks, if needed. Helps blood flow, especially if you sit or stand for long periods. Sample daily, plan morning. Warm lemon water, light stretching. Breakfast with eggs, leafy greens, or oats. Afternoon, coconut water or herbal tea. Lunch with protein, sweet potatoes, or beans. Short walk after meal. Evening, magnesium or calcium, with dinner, 5-minute foot stretch. Optional, warm soak or heating pad. You don't have to live with leg cramps, weak legs, or sleepless nights. Your legs deserve strength, your sleep deserves peace, and your body deserves real fuel. Comment below. Which nutrient are you going to add to your routine today? Like this video, subscribe for more senior health solutions, and share this with someone who's tired of leg cramps. You're stronger than you think. Let's support your body the smart way.